This method to clean bathroom tiles is 100 times more potent than ammonia. You've been working all day and you're extremely tired, sweaty, and dirty. You need a shower. But what happens when your shower is dirtier than you? You'll have to clean it, right? Although highly efficient products are obtained in supermarkets, which allow you to clean your bathroom, they can cost high sums of money or contain endless chemical components that will endanger your health. In this video we present you a home remedy to clean the shower, 100% natural and 100% effective. Not only will it be impeccable, but you will also get a better lifestyle, as well as the certainty that you will have a totally innovative and genuine cleaning product. So, we present this tutorial so that you prepare it without leaving your house, and look how easy it can be used. The task of cleaning the bathroom will be an easy and simple thing, after you prepare and use this powerful mix with items that you have on hand, or that you can get in a supermarket. You need 1. Half a cup of baking soda. 2. Half a cup of white vinegar. 3. Half a cup of lemon juice. 4. 5 liters of water. Preparation: 1. Mix the water well with the baking soda and add the lemon juice. Stir gently and then gradually add the white vinegar. 2. You will verify foaming, but this occurs as a result of the chemical reaction during the melting process. 3. You should only wait until it has settled down until the foam comes down and pour the mixture into a spray dispenser bottle for convenience. 4. When prepared, spray this mixture carefully on the stained surfaces, allowing the product to act for approximately 30 minutes. 5. Then with the aid of a sponge, rough bath towel or simply a brush, scrub to remove the dirt that bothers and generates germs. 6. Rinse with plenty of water and enjoy a shiny, hygienic bath. Every time we finish bathing, it is very important that we open a window to ventilate and prevent moisture from seizing our bathroom and, especially, the tiles. If we have time, it is best to dry them after each shower.